Good morning, class 8. We are in chapter friction, and today I am going to teach you minimizing friction. Since friction is due to roughness of surfaces, any process that make the contact surface smooth will reduce friction. By polishing a rough surface, smoothen it and reduce friction. So first of all, if you want to minimize friction, you need to polish their surface. Polishing a rough surface smoothen it and reduce friction. Second one, by lubrication. Friction is decreased by lubricating surfaces with oil, grease or graphite. The sliding surfaces then have a thin layer of lubricant between them. The friction is then between the surface and the lubricant layer, which is much less. Graphite is used as a lubricant in machine where the moving part reach very high temperatures. While playing carom, you can put fine talcum powder on the carom board to reduce friction. So, by lubrication, we decrease friction. You have seen so many surfaces on which we apply oil, grease or graphite to reduce friction. While playing carom board, we can also use talcum powder to reduce friction. Third, by streamlining to reduce fluid friction. Do you know why the shape of sheep is like this direction, this shape, this way? Okay, so this shape of an object is said to be streamlined, okay, like this way. So fluids such as water and air also exert pressure on objects moving through them. The frictional force that fluids exert on object is called drag. It depends on the nature of the fluid, the shape of the object, and the speed of the object with respect to the fluid. Friction is minimum for the streamlined shape, which is rounded in the front and narrow at the back. Nature has given birds and fish streamlined bodies. The bodies of aeroplanes, missiles, rockets, cars are streamlined to reduce frictions with air, called air resistance. Sheep also have streamlined shapes to reduce friction with water. Next one, by using wheels and ball bearings. When a spherical or cylindrical object roll on a surface, the resistance it encounters, and it is called rolling friction. When spherical things roll on the surface, then it produces rolling friction. The resistance that an object encounters when it slides over a surface is called sliding friction. It is easier to roll an object than to slide it. It is easier to roll an object than to slide it. Rolling friction is therefore less than sliding friction. That's why vehicles are equipped with wheels. You have you must have also seen luggage equipped with wheels. It is much easier to roll along the luggage with you than the carrying slide it. Okay, you see a rolling wheel are there the bottom of suitcase by which we are able to move from one place to another place very easy. So hence we can say that sliding and rolling, there are two type of friction are there. So rolling friction is therefore less than sliding friction. It is much easier to roll along a luggage which you can carry or slide it. You can see activity 4 to show that rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Measure the friction on a table top by using your finger tester as in activity 2. Now put some round pencil below the bricks and test again. What do you know find? Has the friction reduced now? So after doing this experiment, you can understand how rolling friction less than sliding friction. Okay, if you slide anything or if you roll anything, sliding friction needs more energy, more force, but rolling friction needs less force. Okay, that's why we can say that rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Okay.